Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, central Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, east-central Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Wisconsin, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Portage, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Gwinnett, Partyville, Randolph, Ryle, Cambria, Waukeena, Merrimack, Friesland, Kingston, Harmony Grove, Dalton, Interstate 90/94 interchange in Aki. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.